You know, so the first time I see a baby on board sign was when I come to America. I can't remember seeing a baby on board sign while me there at Jamaica. You see me I say? But what I want to know, what purpose other sign there? Like, what significance it play? Like, who is it for? Who that sign there is meant to alert or who it for? You see me? I want to know if you don't know where the baby on board sign for, drop in the comments, please, me I beg you know, and make me know who was it designed for? Who it make for see it? Who for see it? Based upon my understanding, it is meant for the motorists, the people them who are drive on the road. That are my understanding. But if I have somebody else, let me know. You see me? And what more I have to know is what significance is it for the person who drive behind you? Because normally they in the back glass or upon the back of the car. So the person who drive behind you now, if him a drive and a tire blow, once you see the sign say baby on board, if you turn out of your vehicle and or kill off the other people them over there, so we no sign of the pan for them car or people them with their bus stop over there, so or run off a bridge and kill himself. What? No, me just ask. It's just a simple question. Before no come off of me in the comments is me no know. Me just a try to find out. Because it's clearly for the person where they behind the vehicle. Or is it for the police officer when they pull up behind you and your registration expire, the license plate not good, or the whole of your tail light gone. Once you see the sign, oh, you know, person have a baby in a car, can't give them no ticket. Who it for? Who it for? Yes, them say, you know, them say, ah, little laughter better than quarrel. You see me? So for no come off of me in the comments, as me I say, me curious who it make for. You see me I say, who it make for. As me say before, if somebody a come lick up in your vehicle, once they see the sign, then fi avoid your vehicle and go lick up in our next vehicle when I'm not sign. I want to know. So if you don't know, please, me I beg you know, drop in the comments and make me know who is it for. Cause me say me ignorance. Me no know. Wait for. You see me only see the sign. And for no say nothing about me is a father. Me have a little girl and when she that baby, me used to have it in my car. You see me I say? Because her mother say she want it in the car. You see me? So me used to have it in the car. But me still don't know the significance. So, uno tell me, please me I beg you know. Please. Until the next video, bless upon yourself.